Now, your first alert weather from meteorologist Amber Wheeler.
We head into the middle of the work week on Wednesday, increasing that humidity. We'll see some pop-up storms, and we're going to keep those storms daily throughout the next week. Here's your forecast for Wednesday, 92. It's still going to be hot. Not hitting records. We hit 100 in 2023 on this day. We hit it 17 times that year, by the way. Pretty typical for us to be in the low 90s and to see storms. There's an upper level low helping to drive our weather right now, bringing in some drier air to the north, but also there's a boundary of storms here that I've been watching. I've been watching a few areas, one in particular here, just around the Homa area, South Homa, near Montague, Grand Bois, into Pointe-aux-Chenes and even Berg. These areas have been seeing some heavy rain for the last half an hour or so, so I wouldn't be surprised to see some isolated water on the roadways or some pooling on the roadways. These little storms here have been showing signs of decreasing near Schriever and west of Thibodaux. That's good news. But I wanted to point out something for you. Here is what is called a boundary. It's winds coming from storms that are from the south and those winds coming from those storms to the north. This is not rain. This is basically the radar picking up. Those winds are pushing insects and any kind of dust in the air, and that's what it's picking up on. The more important part is that these two things are going to collide. These two little air masses are going to collide, and this is where we could see more storms form. So I'm watching for you, Gramercy, Reserve into Laplace. These areas could see some storms when these two areas collide in just a bit. Here are the models. Models are great, but they're not that perfect here just yet. You'll see it's not picking up on that, but it is picking up on this boundary of rain and storms that will continue for the next several hours, really hit or miss for you, and then will dry out overnight tonight, only to see this again as we move into Wednesday. Wednesday, a little more widely scattered for you. We'll see a better chance on the North Shore than we saw today, and more of the same as we move into Thursday. We've increased the humidity. So that means we're going to see a better chance for those afternoon storms to pop. And this is really typical summertime pattern here for us for today, tomorrow, and into Thursday because of that increase in that humidity. And then we'll continue to see that rise over the weekend. I think Sunday is when we're going to get into that super sticky territory where we've got extra humidity moving into play here. Here's that upper level low and that drive of dry air that it's been giving us for the last few days, but that is going to move on. And then what's going to happen is that as we get into the weekend, we're going to start to get this onshore flow back, and that's where it's going to pull in higher humidity, maybe a little bit more of a tropical feel. And when you have higher humidity like that, we could see maybe some more rain, maybe some higher chances for rain. In fact, I've been watching maybe Monday, first part of next week, we might need to up those numbers as we get new data in. We'll certainly follow that and let you know if we need to increase those rain chances, but daily chances for storms are likely at this point. Very quiet when it comes to the tropical satellite in the Gulf, in the Caribbean. I've turned on the dust so you can see that. That helps keep things suppressed. A lot of wind shear here as well. And in the main development region, anything coming off the coast of Africa has been running into a lot of dust as well, really having a tough time getting going, which is what we want. So that means that we've got no development expected within the next 7 days. Things seem to be staying pretty quiet, tropics-wise. Your forecast for the next week: very summer-like, heat and storms, rising humidity. Overnight lows go back to normal as well, because this morning we actually had a few areas that fell to the